Hey y'all, hey. Y'all already know what time it is. So with that being said, we are getting ready to jump into this video. Now, I already went and posted, you know what I mean, the video where as though Liv was talking about the Botox injections that she decided to get. Now, let's roll it on back so we can dissect this as it needs to be. All right. So a couple days ago, Liv was basically saying that she had no money. All right. Now, she got on the camera, I mean crying. One of her actual subscribers had sent her $100 bill. And Liv cried so much about it when she opens up the card. Now, I'm slightly confused, subscriber that sent her the money. She said that she had no money, and that is probably what you thought. But Liv is making a fool, out of you. All right. Now, Liv has made it her way, you know, to wherever she is. Okay. And she has decided to go ahead and drop around $200 to $300 to plump her lips up. Okay. So you already know that Liv uses her race when it's comfortable to her. So right now, Liv is saying that she herself is a white woman. Now tomorrow, Liv will say that she is mixed with black. Y'all already know Liv is a fucking fool. All right. But this is the thing, people, that really got me. And it sent me into a whirlwind to go ahead and check my brain so I could do some brainstorming, some critical thinking. So when she said that in the live, because people kept asking her about money this and money that and money this and money that, she said, it doesn't matter. I just spent $1,000 on 3 of my kids' shoes for them. Now, Liv, I am going to tell you like this. You are a fucking liar. You did not spend no $1,000 on those shoes for them kids. You may have spent maybe $300 or so, but $1,000? First of all, that would mean that you are a complete idiot. Who would do that when the kids grow out of their shoes fast? I already look at you and can tell you don't even have no fucking real shoes. The shoes that you come on here with look like you have picked them up from the clearance rack at Walmart. Not even Target. I ain't even going to take it that far. But at Walmart. The clearance rack. You know, the shoes that don't nobody want. The shoes that ain't nobody coming out the house with on. That's you, Liv. I mean, you really got me. Because, Liv, I expect so much more, you know, from you. But when you said that, I said, wait a minute. This girl just said that she paid over $1,000 for three kids' shoes. Well, what the fuck did you buy them? Did you buy them some Jordans that were a limited edition? Did you buy them some Prada children shoes? Did you buy them some Gucci children shoes? Did you buy them some limited edition Nikes? Did you buy them some Louis Vuitton shoes? Which I know you didn't, Liv, because we already see how you come on this camera. And you have no sense at all on how to dress. Okay? You dress like in leggings and a shirt like you are running into the gym with a baseball cap. That's how you dress. It's a shame. I mean, it is what it is. But something's got to give. Yeah, something has got to give. I haven't even seen you with a pair of what? Converses on. And you know, you always can get a cheap little pair of Converses on. Throw them on with some leggings. Throw them on with a pair of jeans. Oh, yeah, and you styling with the Converses. Now, Liv, I got some time coming next week. If you want me to go ahead and be your stylist, hit me up in my About Me section. You know, it's my email. It's everything, and you good. I mean, I'm just saying, Liv. I'm just saying, okay? So that really blew me. So I'm like, so you mean to tell me she done got her lips done? Like I said, we breaking this down. Her lips done. And number two, you done bought your kids $1,000 worth of invisible shoes. Because that's some bullshit you talking about. You talking to Reese. And I already know when all you bitches, you know what I'm saying, talk, I can tell when you're lying. But the thing that got me is the fact that you spent all that money. You got your lips injected. So what got me, Liv, that sent me thinking was the shoes $1,000 and your lip injections. So what you mean that you're telling me is the fact that your lip injections are more important to getting your children, your daughters, 2 heads done. And they need to have their hair done professionally. And they need braids, okay? Because you do not know in any shape or form how to deal with the texture of hair that they have. You do not. They have, I want to say, maybe a little bit over, but they definitely have 4C texture, okay? I already know that you don't know how to, you get what I'm saying, do your own damn hair, because these past couple of days, Liv, you have been frying the fuck out of your hair. I mean, you coming on camera twice in one day, flat ironing your hair. You are not doing the most important thing at all, Einstein, which is to basically use this thing that you put on your hair that is called heat protection. Let me break it down for you again. Heat protection. You're not doing that. You just straight on going hard. You passing it through on one single amount of hair 2 to 3 times. You try to curl this shit with the flat on. And girl, you can't even curl hair. I'm like, damn, who can't curl hair with, you know what I'm saying, a flat on? All you gotta do is bend it and go ahead and slide it through. I said, Liv is out of her fucking mind. She is out here getting all of this shit and need to get their hair done. Girl, get your funky ass up and go get them kids' hair done professionally and get it braided. Do that, because their hair does not look good, okay? Your youngest daughter should not have to run around with, you get what I'm saying, an afro. Do her fucking hair. Stop putting their hair in these fucking ponytails too. Stop doing that. Because all you do is you don't detangle the hair because you don't know how. You spraying the hair with water. No, they don't have, you know what I mean, curly hair. They don't have European straight. They don't have Brazilian wavy. What are you doing? What are you doing? So basically, you just spraying their hair and you brushing the outside of it to make it look good in a ponytail. But when they take it out, they have that fucking matted hair in the middle. Like, you know what I mean? Like, stop. Like, you want to go out, you know, around these guys and act like you the shit, then make sure that your children looks presentable. You don't know where Gerard might take them. Might take them, and then, see, this is the thing. I was always brought up that when you leave the house, you make your child's hair look amazing and you make yourself look amazing. And Liv, you do not know if you are getting ready to bump into Gerard's, new girl. I don't even know if she the new baby mother. She might be. But I'm confused because this was another lie that you told. You said, well, we went to the doctors and they said that Gerard sperm cells, still do work or whatever. The other day, I seen you do a live and you said, oh, the only thing that I can, I ain't got to worry about happen with Gerard is for him to have a baby because he can't have no more kids. Girl, stick to your lies. I'm like, damn, I know y'all remember her saying this. It was in a live. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, you know what I mean, and I'm going to get off of here. But yeah, go and do your 2 daughters' hair. Go do that. Go get it done professionally because when you do it, it is not cute at all. And you know what, y'all? I'm going to see y'all in the next video.